Hi guys. Drive by. Beautiful spot. I just did a footage with my cell phone and the file was too large and it just kind of stopped, so it wasn't very long. This place is perfect. I mean, by sheer luck, my friend got lost and came down this road, and lo and behold, there's a church right there with a cemetery. And right down here is, there's a creek down there. I live on the other side. But down there is a stone road, and there's a creek right here. And when you're driving down this road, it's a dead end, so I didn't want to go down there, but not yet anyway. And it was at night that he showed it to me, so I had to get down here during the day. But either side, I mean, if you turn your wheel, you're in the creek. You know what I mean? It's that tight. And it doesn't go very far, but it's absolutely spectacular. And you can see where they blasted through the rock. And I'm telling you, it looks like a civilization still. I'm telling you, was here at one point in history. Anyway, during my footage with my cell phone, I got... And by the way, it is the coldest day of the year yet, and I am absolutely frozen, so that's why I'm in my car. I should probably start it. Get it warmed up so I can put the windows down. Look at this. See that? I see that head right there. That flying in right there. I'm not sure. It looks like a portal bird. But what I did see was what I would consider to be the paranormal, which we all know how much I love that. I'm afraid of ghosts. I'm not afraid of aliens, I'm afraid of ghosts. I need to get some heat because it is freaking cold. And I was not dressed for this, that's for sure. As usual, drive-bys are always last minute. I'm never planned. However, I did have my tripod in the car, but it's too cold to go out. Who? Oh my God, look at this guy. Now, from my phone, I was outside all the way down there. So I didn't see this guy right here. Unless he just came in or whatever it is. Let me get a better vantage point here. Okay. Hello there. You see the one splitting off to the left? You see a profile? Actually, he's starting to... Wow. Maybe that's a trick. I don't know. That's weird, an illusion, but it looked like he was turning his head toward me. But he's coming out of out of the tree, going to the left. So you're seeing his, his left profile. This guy who looks like a unicorn type thing, that's where his face would be. Like, pretend that's a unicorn. And where's the guy on the right? He's right there. Hi, he's already looking at me. Hello. How are you? Hi, are you smiling at me? There's actually 4 faces. Crap, hi. And this being another bird coming in, bringing in something else. Who are you bringing in? Wow. Why do these guys look so human? Wow, that is just too much. Look at that split. Man, that's crazy. Oh, I see color. There's the delivery. Another one. Oh, wow, look how... Tell me that doesn't look like a space. Look at this. You know, that looks like the same little girl from my one video, doesn't it? A little bit, except smaller. Sorry, I was getting pictures. Oh, it's changing already. What's going on? Where'd she go? Okay. Well, whatever's on. There's 2 white dots on top of. Now there's. Oh, I see her. Looks insect-like to me between right there. I don't like that. It's got something. Now there's something black on her face, on her nose. When I see insects, I think subterraneans, and they just terrify me. Especially if my theory's right. Wow. What the hell's going on? I just couldn't even begin to explain this to you guys. Look at this dude. Are you out of your mind? It looks like he looks. Oh, it's moving. Looks like a squid. Whoa! Look what's coming off his legs. Look this way. Now what you're looking for is, just anything that has, in this case, skin type flesh. And there's something coming in the dimension right there, something bright. There it is coming in. See it? Really bright on the right. Just that little tiny head's pushing through. And there's more in the back there. Oh, and the sun, I'm telling you, the sunset is perfect. That's crazy, but I want to see what this is here. Let's see what's going on now. Now there, wow. Is that the same? Okay, started out with these guys, okay. This is what's coming in next, and this would be the bird that's bringing them. He doesn't look so much like this guy. Unicorn dude right there. Yeah, you guys are cool. Whoever's beak is in that thing there, I don't know about him so much. He's kind of scary looking. No, maybe not. No, that's the bird right there. That's the second bird. He's looking right at us with his, that would be his wings straight up, his legs straight down. It would make the X. Now he doesn't have, he's not turning 3-dimensional yet, so they're not ready to drop. Look at that. Hi. Are you the delivery? Because I recognize you. Yes, I do. Sure do. Yeah. Did you come down to see me? Did you? Talking about that. See that stick's going right through his nose right there, splitting him up into. That's the dimensional line right there, going horizontally right there. Now look how his face is turning. Well, that white dot would be his nose. Every face is 3. Yeah, he's turning dimensionally. They're not morphing. Is all they have to do is turn their head. Where'd he go? I lost him. Sorry. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at these portals. My God. They are beautiful. And over here. Hi there. Yeah, I see that it looks like there's something in its mouth, but I don't believe that they eat here, so yeah, that's the frame of a bird. Because they're dimensionals again. This time of the year, normally they would be not long gone, but it would be predominantly galactic. That's totally the only thing that's really different this year. And doing the year to date, since I have enough time under my belt that I can do that for analyze at least 5 years. Here we got back there. Hi. Yeah, it's funny. It almost looks. I see a profile right there too as well, but the one to the right, the little guy of the here, get this thing steady. Sorry. Looks like a leprechaun. Now I don't like to name them or say. I mean, I name them, but not call them leprechauns and fairies and things like that, but it did almost look like a leprechaun. There's all sorts of shit wrapped up in all these dimensional birds. Because these are definitely dimensionals. However, that right there looks like a serpent almost. That would put a kink in things. Actually, now it's just gone right into the tree. See, they never hit the ground. And it took me forever to figure that out. I'm like, how could these trees all be coming from the sky? You know, wouldn't people notice that they have more trees in their yard? You know, hello, obviously. But they never hit the ground. So, you know, your average human first of all, doesn't look up. In the springtime, they're not going to notice that there's no, you know, they're just going to think their tree is growing. When in reality, it's, you know, these guys, and they're going into their tree, they're going into it, you know. So, whoa, look at that profile right there. You see that? It's just going to look a little bushier. Whoa, faces everywhere. Okay, this is weird because I see the 1, 2, 3 of what looks to be like a Bigfoot type face. And then, you know, like and there's me lady right there. Son of a bitch. She always shows up for a split second in my videos and then she'll be gone. Just to let me know she's still around. She's gone already. No. She's still there. I just recognize her eyes. Yeah, I see you. What, you gonna turn into an ape looking thing now? Yeah, she's gone. Okay, yeah, this is what I was seeing. You see this, guys? Oh my god, it looks better with the camcorder. Tell me you don't see ghosts. Okay, because I sure as hell do. Hold on. And then I see, then these, well, those would be extraterrestrials, but or they're just celestials, I don't, you know, but they're coming in, they're getting more prevalent. They're not moving like your normal apparition would, you know, like Whoa, look at that guy. He just popped out up top there. They're cool glasses. I'm going to zoom in on it now. Okay, that's one. Looks nothing like an apparition. So you get back here. This is all alien. Hi there. However, I must say it looks galactic. If that's the case, oh, who we got there? Hi. What you doing? He's like, ta-da, look what I got. Did you just catch yourself some galactics? Don't be a little person. Oh wow, that's spectacular looking. That's the difference between this year and all the other years. So something has changed than the last, history, I'm going to call it, because that's what I believe. We've done this before a million times, probably. But either we got it right this time, or somebody got it right, but something is definitely different. Something to do with the election, I think. I'm not sure. You see that guy coming out right there? Shaped like a Bigfoot. Look how fast they're moving. I mean, boom, they're there and then they're gone. And another one takes its place. Like that big guy with the googly eyes looking at me. And the Bigfoot shaped sticks, we'll call it. Oh, I saw that. That was a bird right there. See the bird changing the dimensions right there. They're the only ones who can do it. So they're dropping. That means everything's moving forward or moving down or whatever they choose to move it to. Let's see let's see down here what it looks like now. They're moving forward. Now we're looking at the frames. Right here. Except he looks more like he's here. Did you just come in? Look at the face in the tree. Oh my. Yeah, see that guy on the bottom, he's not ghostly anymore. Right here. He looks like you know what? He looks like an old monkey. Doesn't he? Like, use your power. Absolutely use your paranoia, okay? Right above the X, obviously. That's what they're dropping off, is this guy. And whoever these guys are. Oh, look at that. The little people. That means there's a new species coming in. Probably. Because they always drop these guys off first. Always. Look at these little tiny portals. Oh, I don't like that at all. Crap for subterraneans. That's the head of a spider right there. And that would be her spindly legs right there. That tells me subterranean all over the place. Oh boy. Do not ask me why I get a bad feeling about them, but I just do. And it's not because I'm an arachnophobia either. Look at her, look how her arms just went up like that. Watch her. She is, whoops, shit, she is the cross. She's like the queen. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Now her body's gone, and now it's just the sticks remain. Where did she go? What the hell? I told you I don't like them. Wow, that was weird. Okay, now someone there's coming in to take your place. Look, right there. There's a bird or whatever coming in to get between the X's. The X there. If that makes any sense. Wow. Alright, I'm just gonna shut up now and watch. Now I'm shooting into the other side. Big birds. Wow. Big dimensionals. Looking for movement. That's one. That's like, you know, I used to call him Stretch Armstrong. What appears to be two legs if you're not looking at the tree. His arms are up.